Alright guys, what we have here is a 50-inch Casablanca Saturn, or Spirit of Saturn. I'm not sure actually which one it's called. I thought it was called Spirit of Saturn, but the tag just says Saturn, so maybe it's called both. I'm not sure. I'm going to put Spirit of Saturn in the title. If that's wrong, let me know. Anyways, this one is dated on the serial number January 1989. It's January 27th, 1989, and it was the 64th one made that day. So it was obviously made a little earlier in the day. Let's see. There it is. It's white and brass, and it's in very rough condition. It was obviously installed outside, but you can tell by these blade arms. Clearly, you can tell by that it's like chipped off. I mean, you can see even they're like really dusty at the top, and the sides are like even kind of chipping away and stuff here. As we get into the motor here, it is also very rusty, including the inside of the flywheel there. And these screws too, holding it in. Also see it's very dirty at the top here. Canopy and down rod are obviously not original. They came off, I parted them out of a couple other of my Casablanca fans. You can see this is what it came with. It came with a flush mount. It came with two of these. But I'm not a huge fan of Casablanca flush mount. Also, the hook would get in the way, so I converted it to down rod and hang true. You can see this is the second fan I've tested today. I tested the Zephyr earlier, which I just uploaded the video of it. And you can see here's the same control again right here. This is actually over there. That's the control this one came with. Exact same control. The bearings on this fan are absolutely terrible, which there's not really much explanation needed for it. Like, that's literally how bad the bearings are. I don't know if I've ever tested a fan with worse bearings than this one. So yep, some person obviously installed it outside. Not a good choice. You can even see if we go up here to the top, someone wrote doom hole on one of the blades through the dust. I'm not sure if that was Chandru, who I got the fan from. That seems like something Chandru would do. Or that was the previous owner. I have no idea, but yep, that is there. Kind of funny. That pretty much accurately describes this fan. Although I don't know if I'd really say it's doomed, but it definitely needs a lot of restoration. Restore the finish and replace the bearings. Bearings are way beyond WD-40. It's the light. The dimmer here. It is missing glass, as you can see. That's another reason. That's another thing about this fan. This fan, I'm probably not going to hang on to it. If I sell it, it will be for either free or very dirt cheap. Because obviously this fan, I could, if everything, if there were a lot of good things about this fan and it were very rare or something, I'd probably try it. I might like swap the motor and do some restoration work towards it, but not one, they're pretty common, so my guess is I'll stumble across another one, and two, there's many things about this fan that's in very bad condition, so I don't know if it's really worth the time and effort. You can see I can't even get it to work on speed. Most of the speeds, actually. Alright, if I spin it here, it kind of works on speed 6. You can hear it's making lots of noise. Here's reverse. I can get it to go a little faster. Alright, it's slowing down. It's the light. So yeah, poor fan, and kind of an oof too. Not much to show. Alright, now, if you guys watched the video, recently watched the video of the Zephyr, I complained, well, I kind of talked about how demo mode didn't work on that fan. I wasn't sure why, and demo mode does, in fact, work on this one. So, it must be either maybe there's something about demo mode that's like maybe like turned off in that fan or something, or maybe it has to have a light for demo mode to work. I'm not sure, but it works on this fan. It's the exact same control, so obviously it's not the control or the wiring or anything that I'm doing. Alright, here we go. Light, or fan, light, fan, light, fan. Okay, hold on, let's try that again. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I had a little bit of trouble getting demo mode to work. Demo mode is being really stubborn on this controller. I don't know. Let's try this. There we go. Alright, so the light will start dimming up here. So obviously, considering this fan's bearings, we won't be able to see much, but you can still hear the beeper. Is it in reverse? I can't even tell. There we go. Alright, so that was demo mode. So yep, that's pretty much it for this fan. I'll let you guys know if I'm selling it at a future group trip or not. If someone wants the project of restoring this, that would be nice. That would probably be the best type of buyer to, because obviously this needs a lot of restoring. It looks like demo mode is starting over again. Also, and yeah, I'm probably like, if I sell for anything, it'll probably only be like $5 or something. So yep, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.